It is Sunday at noon. We spent the morning relaxing and then just cleaning the house up. And we got home late last night. And we're headed to Target to get some house supplies and then check on prices on shoes since Austin lost a shoe last night. And they're starting school, back to school. They're year-round, so starting back to school tomorrow. And then we're going to go get some haircuts. And my wife and her mother are going to go to the craft fair that Logan and I went to on Friday. So, and then hopefully we'll be back in time, get Austin laid down, and I'll be able to work on I'm hoping to finish the CNC machine tonight, but we'll see. We are now at our home away from home.
Where do you park at? Over there?
Right there.
Where are you going after?
Haircut?
Can I go with you?
Yeah, you guys come with me.
Oh, partner. Ah, you shot me. I'm a cowboy, yeah!
What's up, Cowboy Austin? Make sure and stay out of the street.
Speed twister or something.
Yeah, I say we try.
One. Put it on 2 real quick, Austin. Okay, go for 2. All the way to the back. Scoot it back.
I think a 1 wide.
1.
2.
Because that's real. That's way too much in front.
Dad, I can't find number 1.
You can't? Okay, wait, Logan. Come over here. How tight is it right there?
Good. This is pretty good. This is 1.
This is your toe. Walk this way, Logan. How does it feel?
Good.
Let mommy feel on the toe.
And those are spiders. I'm a Batman.
How does that feel?
Good.
Okay. Ready? Run to me. Run. Okay. Now slow and easy. Pepperoni.
Logan has pepperoni too.
These has cheese. Nothing but the best for my boys. What do you got, Logan?
Where's wrong?
Austin, what are you eating?
A chicken nugget.
Are you a cowboy?
Yep.
So it is time for haircuts. There you go. We got our haircuts, we got our haircuts, and now we just went and got a cookie. And what else do we get, Logan?
Sucker.
We got sucker and candy canes. We got some candy canes. And now it's time to head home. I'm working on the CNC machine, but a fire truck just went by. I could hear it. It looks like it stopped right up the street. It looks like there's 2. It's a fire truck and I don't know if that's an ambulance or the little fire truck. Not sure. Well, I don't smell smoke or anything, so hopefully it's not somebody who's hurt too bad. We'll have to wait and see. I'll check with the neighbors in the morning. Drop my son's snake. Okay, well, we finished dinner. I got the kids in the bathtub, in the shower, and in bed. They're starting back at school tomorrow. It's 9 o'clock-ish, and I'm going to see if I can get this machine finished up tonight. about 11 o'clock. Been working on the CNC machine for the last couple hours. Made some really good headway. I could probably finish it in an hour, but when I took out the what is that, the G shield, an extra little piece fell out, and then I'm also missing 6 of the little T brackets to be able to mount the main maker slides to the rails underneath. I had 2, I need 8. So I scavenged 2 off the drivetrain unit, and just to be able to get 4 on there to get it up there, but I'd feel better with all 8 connected and then get that, you know, slide connected like it's supposed to. But like I said, the what's this thing called? The G shield. When I open it up, an extra little piece fell out. So I don't know if this will focus, but that little thing right there looks like, you know, all the little solder connections, like in here, those little solder connections. So I have a feeling it fell off. I don't know which one, but I don't want to chance it. Like I'm saying, I don't know which one, but I don't want to, you know, get this thing all put together and then chance, you know, something frying. So I'm gonna go ahead and contact the company tomorrow and see if they'll overnight me those pieces so I can get it finished. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I will see you next week.